TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of passives. Number 1.
Would you like to go to the new restaurant on the corner?
Is that the one that serves vegetarian food?
What does the woman want to know? Number 2.
Has Harry heard from the law school yet?
Yes, he was admitted by the law school for the fall semester.
What happened to Harry? Number 3.
Mark said that you were a lot of help.
Well, I took care of his plants while he was out of town.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Do you know what happened during the lightning storm?
Yes, several trees were destroyed.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Did you see Sally? Her leg's in a cast.
Yes, I know. She told me that she broke her leg skiing in the mountains.
What happened to Sally? Number 6.
The horses are not in very good shape now.
They were ridden too long and too hard.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Why didn't you order coffee?
I thought it had already been ordered.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
How are your friends going to get home from the airport after their trip?
Their car was left in the airport lot.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Has the class chosen a representative?
The other students appointed Matt class representative.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Wasn't the building damaged in the earthquake?
Yes, it was. And when this happened, the inhabitants were paid by the insurance company.
What does the man mean?